Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset as an oil service light. This is from SL500. This is from the year 2001 to 2011. So it can take you guys to second position. So right there on the screen says service exited by 169 days. So you use the arrow keys guys to move around, and then you say service exceeded by 169 days. So we're going to reset this service light. So what you do guys, you take out the key and then you put in the key and then you turn to second position, and then when in the second position you use the arrows guys pointing down and up. You just keep like scrolling until it says service exited 169, and then you come just right in the middle, you press this reset button, you hold it. But sometimes guys you might miss it, it can go to the mileage, but make sure it's in the service A message. You hold it tight right there and then it will say reset. You press 3 seconds, so you press it for 3 seconds and then should be able to reset. It say reset has been successful. So it says the next service is going to be in 10,000 miles. So guys, that's how simple it is.